Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you sleep function. For the Windows platform we can include windows.h library, include windows.h. For the Linux platform we can use unistd.h standard library, include unistd.h. Sleep function in C allows the users to wait for a current thread for a specific time. Here you can see I have already typed a code and opened in code blocks. Just print something. Welcome. I just want to print welcome, and I have already written the header files include std.h and include windows.h for use the sleep function. You can see welcome has been printed. Now I first run the code, and then after 5 seconds, let's assume after 3 seconds, the welcome will be printed in the console, on the console. So just write sleep, S is in capital, and inside sleep, that is the millisecond. So for 3 seconds there is 3000 milliseconds. That will be our time for sleep. 1 2 3 and welcome has printed. Again I just want to write here 5000 millisecond. 3 4 5 and then welcome has been printed. That's why we can use sleep function in Windows. Thank you everyone.